Today, we're diving into a topic that plagues many gardeners: slugs. These slimy creatures can wreak havoc on our precious plants, but fear not. We've got the ultimate solution: organic slug control methods that will naturally keep these pests at bay. Understanding the slug problem. First things first, let's understand our adversary, the slug. These nocturnal creatures are notorious for chomping away at our beautiful plants, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Whether you're dealing with small or large gardens, slugs can be a real nuisance. But before we combat them, let's learn a bit more about their habits and preferences. Slugs are attracted to moisture and love feasting on decaying organic matter. That's why they often hide under mulch or in damp areas of the garden. Understanding their habits is key to effectively controlling them without resorting to harmful chemicals. Natural slug control solutions. Now, let's talk solutions. There are plenty of organic methods to naturally deter slugs from ravaging your garden. One popular option is copper tape. Slugs get a small electric shock when they touch it, deterring them from crossing over. Another ingenious method is the beer trap. Simply bury a container filled with beer in the ground, and slugs will be drawn to it and drown. For a more hands-on approach, consider using diatomaceous earth. This powdery substance is made from fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms and acts as a desiccant, drying out slugs on contact. Crushed eggshells are another natural deterrent, as slugs don't like the rough texture. And if you want to take it a step further, introduce beneficial nematodes into your soil. These microscopic organisms prey on slug larvae, helping to keep their population in check. Tips for maintaining a slug-free garden. Prevention is key when it comes to slug control. By implementing some simple practices, you can minimize slug damage and maintain a thriving garden. Consider raising your garden beds to reduce slug access and regularly remove any debris or hiding spots where slugs might lurk. Companion planting can also be effective, as certain plants naturally repel slugs while attracting beneficial insects. Additional tips for effective slug control. Before we wrap up, let's explore a few more tips for keeping slugs at bay. Did you know that certain plants have natural slug-repelling properties? Mint and garlic are two examples of plants that slugs tend to avoid due to their strong scent. Consider planting these around your garden as a natural deterrent. Additionally, coffee grounds not only enrich your soil, but also act as a barrier against slugs. Sprinkle them around the base of your plants to create a barrier that slugs are reluctant to cross. Finally, let's talk about watering. While it's essential to keep your plants hydrated, overwatering can create a hospitable environment for slugs. Aim to water your garden in the morning, allowing the soil to dry out slightly during the day, which makes it less attractive to slugs. Also, consider using drip irrigation or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing moisture on the surface where slugs thrive. By following these additional tips, you'll be well on your way to maintaining a slug-free garden oasis. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, with a little know-how and some organic solutions, you can kiss slug problems goodbye and enjoy a flourishing garden all season long. See you in the next video.